Hi, welcome to Physical Science. For the lesson for today, you will be working on what we didn't finish last class will be the first part of class. So week 2, so if you go to your modules and scroll down, week 2, and then last class we finished the pre-knowledge get to know you PowerPoint and the Padlet. And we also finished the Get to Know You survey, which was due last Wednesday. But I extended that, so in case you didn't finish it. And then the lesson Get to Know You is what we're working on today at the beginning, and then the Padlet number 2 about me. So you'll be posting your answer on the Padlet. So we're going to open the lesson Get to Know You. And then you will scroll down. So this is a choice menu. So the first direction is to take the survey, which you should have done already. And so where we're at right now is you choose one activity from below to complete, the essay or the poster. So these are your two options, and they're your About Me essay or poster. So they're all about you. And then the third thing is we already did it. We will do the Kahoot in class on Tuesday together. So we already did that last class. So right now you're just working on your poster and your essay, which you will then post to Padlet. So if you scroll down a little more, this is a Get to Know You survey, which we did. So these are directions for the About Me poster. You can go ahead and read the directions. You have two options to make the About Me poster. You can make it in Canva, Word, iDraw, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute, how to use Canva, and I'll show you some examples. Or you can make it on a hand-drawn poster, and then you can upload a picture of it into Padlet. So to get to Canva, I know it's a little confusing because you have Canva and Canvas, but Canva is a drawing tool that we'll be using if you want to. So the requirements of the poster is it doesn't have to be exactly like the one I posted to the right here, but it should include at least 10 things about yourself with at least 4 pictures if possible. So you'll see the one that I made had 9 pictures and like 3 things about me. So it can be like a combination of both of these things. So you could have 10 pictures if you want with 4 things about yourself. So, or, just make sure that it's substantial. And if you don't know what to include about yourself, here's some writing prompts to the right here. So there's the questions, and then you can just answer those questions. Or if you're like, I don't really want to answer number 8, then you don't have to. Kind of just make it your own. So that is the first option, is the About Me poster. The second option is the About Me essay. So it needs to be 8 sentences each, and the prompt you're answering is what makes you you. So that's kind of the focus question for the essay. Again, like before, if you're like, I don't really want to answer that question, but I want to do the essay, you could sort of do this instead, and you could just write 10 things about yourself with 4 pictures in an essay format, or vice versa. You could answer this question in a poster format. So hopefully that's not too confusing. Just a lot of choice. I just want you to make it your own and have fun with it, okay? So, and then of course we'll be uploading this to Padlet, so it will be public for all my classes to see. So just keep that in mind as you're working on this. Don't post anything that you don't want other people to see about you. If you don't feel comfortable with that, of course you can email it to me too. Okay, so those are your options, the poster and the essay, and then I'm going to show you right now how to use Canva. So you're going to go to canva.com, and I will already be signed in. You do not have to sign in or make an account. It is free. You shouldn't put any of your credit card information in it because it is a free program. And so you can start out with anything. So you can just type in poster if you want to. They have all these different types of posters. You can also just type in postcard if you wanted to do something like that. You could do a portrait. I think you could do an Instagram post. You could do if you type in photo, you could do a photo book if you wanted to do like a lot of photo stuff. You could do a photo collage. So if we click on this, you could choose any of these templates to start out with, depending on how many pictures you want to use. So if you wanted to use like 4 pictures and like 10 things about yourself, you could choose this one. Use mostly pictures. You could use this one with some words on it. You could use this one, and it doesn't have to be real pictures of yourself or your family. It can be of your pets. It can be, but you can also just pull pictures of things off the internet. You can pull a picture of a dog that looks like your dog. So anyway, then when you do that, when you make it, I will show you my example really quick. So all your designs, let me go there. So we go to, oh no, don't see my example that I made. Oh boy, I think it got deleted. That's not good. I basically just made a photo collage with pictures of me. But after you make it, you do whatever you made, and then you hit up here once you're done. This is not my example. I have no idea where mine went. I just had it yesterday. You can do PNG. So after you hit download here, you do, oh gosh, pay and download. What is happening? Definitely don't pay and download. So if it's making you pay and download, you can hit this and then hit download on this side. Okay. So for some reason, this is not a free image here, but when you make yours, it should be free. So I can help you with this part and walk you through more of what to do, how to download it. It's really easy. I don't know why I'm having these problems with it. So I think this is a free one. So when you want to upload it into Padlet, you just hit, okay, this one hopefully will work. Okay, so hit download, and notice how this one is free, so it's letting me. And then it says preparing your design. You don't want to mess with this. It'll have downloaded down here, so you'll open it there. Open. And then you'll be able to save it to wherever you want to. Save it to wherever you're going to save it to. Remember where you save it to. And then you'll go ahead and upload it to Padlet from there. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much. And that is the very first part of class for today. All right. You'll have about 30 minutes to do all of that.